Hey everyone, Nix with East Canada Fire Alarms. In this video, I will be showing you a project I have done. So you may be wondering why I have a purple case in front of me. This is because I created a demo case for my Campbell Guardian Wave button. Since this, I have an Arduino that simulates a full walk cycle with clearance for this button. I decided to build a case for it to have it portable, especially because this button is quite heavy, about 4 kilograms, which I think is like 9 pounds. So this thing is currently plugged in right there, and I will make it, well, I'll do a demonstration of this. Here is the power switch, and this is the push button to initiate a walk cycle. This button has a wave sensor and a pressure button, a piezo pressure button on it. So I will demonstrate it. This was the button's power up. I will press and hold the button to trigger APS.
Wait to cross.
And now I will trigger a walk cycle. I have it set to Canadian melody. You can probably hear relays clicking inside. This is the Arduino relay module going off. There we go. Clearance just finished. 10 seconds of walk and 15 seconds of clearance is how I have it programmed. I will also demonstrate the wave function on the button.
Wait.
You can hold your hand over it
to cross.
To trigger APS. There's another walk cycle. I have the button programmed so if you don't trigger APS, it will not sound off the walk sound, nor the clearance sound. I can demonstrate that as well.
Wait.
As you can see, it's not sounding off, but it is doing a walk cycle. Well, this is weird. I guess it decided to play clearance tone even though I did not trigger APS. This is odd. Power this off. So I cannot really show underneath because it is actually screwed in. I don't have it on a hinge. So also I have the button mounted with bolts because the holes are so big. And I didn't have short bolts, so I had to put washers and have them stick out like this. So unfortunately, I cannot put a sign right now. Even if I had one, I don't have a sign that fits this. The signs I have over there do not fit. There's no screw holes for the 4 corners. They're signs meant to go on a pole. So I cannot put a sign on this right now anyway. The speaker is actually right here and here, and these 2 holes as well. It's pretty quiet right now because you can adjust the volume. So that's pretty much it for this demo case. There's also a handle as well, so I can actually transport it. I can show the underside as well, which is just screws holding in. There's an H-frame I made underneath to hold in the piece of wood that's the buttons mounted to. And then you have 4 screws here that hold in the Arduino. And since this is running off of 12 volts, I have a 12 to 5 volt converter inside. And this tiny power button is hooked up to a relay that handles all the load instead of this button, so I don't accidentally fry anything. I could have hooked up the light on this, I decided not to. But that's pretty much it for this. So I'll see you next video.